After the terror attacks of October 7th, due to the security situation, this workforce wasn't allowed to come back to their work sites. So, not wanting to stop the construction industry, the Israeli government was looking for alternate sources of workers. India was one of the key countries that they wanted to bring people from.
मैं जून में 4 जून का यहाँ पे इजराइल में लैंड हुआ था। उसके बाद हम लोग काम करते समय सायरन बजता था, तो हम लोग साइड से जब भाग के बंकर के नीचे जाके वहाँ पे सेफ हो जाते थे। बाद में जब सायरन सही हो जाता था फिर हम लोग वापस काम पे आके लग जाते थे।
For the construction field, we currently have about 1,000 people in the pipeline. Regulations and conditions permitting, we'd like to bring at least 10,000 workers to this market.